Hello today. How are you? We have with us guests Maran and Anna.
Hi.
Okay. Today, bye. Say bye. Today we're gonna do the experiment of genie in a bottle. When we rub this, the genie will come out of this. Okay, but from the bottle. Okay. What we have here is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide is like H2O2. It's like water. Okay, it has additional oxygen in it. And there's something hidden. Okay, when it comes inside the hydrogen peroxide, we have chemical reaction, and it will decompose. The hydrogen peroxide will be decomposed, okay, to water and gas. We're gonna see genie going up. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Now go there. What?
The genie comes. Subscribe.
Yes, from the bottom. Yellow. And this is exothermic reaction. Okay, this is exothermic reaction. Very hot. Okay, we're gonna see how hot. Are you ready? I'm gonna rub the bottle. 1, 2.
3.
Wow! How cool is this?
Very good. This is the genie.
This is genie in the bottle. This is the exothermic reaction. Very hot. How cool is this?
Very good.
It's very hot. Let's see. 89 degrees. We cannot hold this bottle now. 89 degrees. Very hot. You see? Yeah, say bye to the camera.
Bye.